BODYSTIM device is a parametric programmable EMS. The customer said he's using this device for the muscle pain. You can see the back picture over there. And the customer said this is an old device and he can't find anything similar to this one, and it works great for his need. So he said this device has no power. This happened a couple times before and he managed to take it apart, blow it, clean it with alcohol, it start works again. So he did this a couple times, but this time he said it doesn't want to work. This device is work with the external power supply. This one here is a heavy one because it has a big transformer inside it. It's a linear transformer, and that one is a 9 volt and is a AC voltage, not DC. Alright, before we plug it, we're going to check if we have a 9 volt AC. Okay, you can see 9.9 volt. For this kind of the transformer, we're always going to measure the voltage like 1 volt more or less. Alright, let's plug it. I did ask him if he has any problem before with the power button. He said kind of, but let's see, let's check. Alright, that's the device port. So in the power section we have these 2 diodes, B capacitors, and we have 2 regulators right here. See, this regulator is a 5 volt. I think this one is a 3.3. Yeah, this is a 5 volt. Now that's marked 3.3 over there. I'm going to check them. And another IC right here, it's LM4755T. And we have the controller chip. When you see a paint dot with the paint on the top of the chip, it means this chip is programmable. This chip has a program and it's been programmed by the company. And yeah, the crystal is 25 megahertz. Couple transformers and couple capacitors plus the display. Alright, let's check the 9 volt input. We have 3.1 volt. You can see it is going up and down, I think. Now we need 9 volt over there for the device to work. And the transformer, we did see 9 volt. 9 volt. So yeah, when we plug it, the voltage is dropped. 3.1. Why the voltage is dropped over there? Could be a short somewhere. We check for short. No, that's not short. That's not a search. No, don't have a search over there. So these diodes, no search. No search. But here we have open. Here we have 1.3. And if we flip 2.9, 0.5. This diode, it doesn't test right. 1.2, and if we flip, we should have like 0.5 or something. Let me remove that diode and test it. So we have opened this side, 0.5. Open 0.5. So what's going on? Okay, so the 12 volt, let's go to the both diodes. So the 12 volt, let's go to this. So that's why they are using the AC voltage, because if you can see this one, it's go to the cathode of the, it's go to the anode of the diode, and this same pad is go to the cathode of the, is go here to the anode, and is go to the cathode here from the same pad. And it's mean this diode is going to filter the top wave, and this one is going to filter the bottom wave. One of them is going to give us the positive voltage, one of them is going to give us the negative voltage. So from this one, it's going to go to the positive of the capacitor, and it's going to go to this regulator, or this LM4557. And same thing, the other one, the positive voltage of the other one, it's going to go to this regulator, and maybe it's go to this regulator as well. And this regulator is a 3.3, is feeding the power switch. Yeah, I'm gonna need a 9 volt, or let's check it with the thermal camera. Yeah, all I see is this diode right here. It's getting warm, but it's not that bad. So you can see this regulator is this part here will be warm. or yeah, yesterday it was working, so I couldn't make any other tests because the device was working fine. Then this morning it doesn't work. That's why I wait till I check it the next day. So here we have 12 volt here, nothing here. So basically we have a filter diode between, from this pin is go to the filter diode and it's go to this capacitor. That's the negative side, is go to the capacitor. So this diode is doing the filtering. Next diode we have from the positive, it's go to this diode and it's go to this side of the capacitor. This side of the capacitor is connected to here. But here, why we don't have the 12 volt? So there is one explanation, could be this diode is bad. I did check this diode before because I was thinking it's bad. I tested and tested good for me. Then I put it back. So let's test it again. So 2.3, and if we flip, nothing. So this diode sometime works, sometime not. So this is we have alternative power coming from this side. We have the first diode is this one, that's for the positive voltage with this capacitor, is give us the positive here. The second diode is facing the other way and it will give us a negative voltage. So this setup, it's made for the positive and negative voltage. And I think if I warm up this diode, it will start working. Let's see. What about now? Does the diode start working? So what we have here, 1 and 0.5. Now the diode is working. First we need to remove this diode and replace it. And here, let me look for one of these diode. IN, this is just a rectifying, this is a rectified diode. IN402. Yeah, you can find the rectified diode in any power supply, like close to the 110 input. Most of them should be like just a rectified diode. If it is this side, it should be like, usually is a Shocky fast diode. Alright, let's see. Hopefully that's gonna fix the problem. Yep, see it? It works now. And if we check here, it is positive 12 volt. Here is the 12 volt. Yep. And we are going to have 5 volt here, and we are going to have 3 volt. should be 3 volt here. Yep, 3.3. So this one is fixed. That's all for this video, and see you again.